Hi, I'm Nan Jensen. I'm a barrister and solicitor, and I specialize in servicing the disability community, that is, disabled people and their families. I'm also a mother. I have 4 adult children, and 2 of them are autistic, and they are the ones who inspired me to work in this area. I've been providing workshops on disability law and disability issues for about the last 7 years. And I've decided to make these videos which contain some of the subject matter from the workshops so that more people can access them. Now, before I go any further, I just want to address the issue of terminology and language. You will have heard me use the word disability a few times. I am aware that people have different terminology preferences. Some people prefer differently abled, and some people prefer learning difference, and there's quite a wide range of other preferences. I apologize in advance if I'm not using your preferred terminology. I really hope you can just focus on the legal information in the workshop and accept my apology in advance. I don't think I can keep everyone happy, and I want to be able to focus on thinking about the legal stuff and not worrying about what words I'm using. The next thing I want to apologize about is to any hearing impaired viewers. I have a goal of learning to speak sign language, but I don't do it right now. So I hope you will be able to read my lips, or else you will be able to get an interpreter or some other support person to help you understand the videos. Similarly, if you're a person with a cognitive difference and it is difficult for you to understand the videos, then I hope you will be able to get a support person to help you. I just want to comment a little bit about the workshops and the videos. The workshops, each one is a cohesive whole, and so I've really resisted breaking them into pieces because I'm concerned that if you think that you only want to hear about trusts and you don't want to hear about wills, then you really will miss out on something because all the topics link together. And I just hope that you will believe me and you will listen to all the topics. I really urge you to listen to all the videos, even if you think that some of them contain something that isn't of interest for you. You will miss out if you don't listen to all of them. I'm doing these because I'm aware that there are people who, for whatever reason, it might be a sensory issue or a distance issue or a travel problem or a caregiving responsibility, simply aren't able to get to the workshops. But I still urge you to go to a workshop if you can. The videos don't replace the workshops. The workshops give more opportunities to ask questions, there's more content, and of course you get to meet other participants who you may have something in common with, and you can network in really beneficial ways. So if you do have the opportunity to attend a workshop, I encourage you to do so. They're usually free. And if not, then I hope the videos will be of some use to you. Now, I just need to do a little disclaimer because I need to emphasize very strongly that these videos contain legal information only. They do not constitute legal advice. I am not allowed to give legal advice to someone whose situation I don't know and where I haven't given a letter of engagement. So you get legal advice from a lawyer who you have either spoken to about your particular situation or met with, and they have given you a letter of engagement. That's how you get legal advice. So this is just information, and you must not rely on anything you hear in these videos. There are several reasons for that. One is that I don't know your situation, so I can't possibly give you appropriate advice because each person's situation is different, so the legal solution for them that's best may be different from one person to the next. The other thing is that they are, of course, time dependent, and I can't control what happens with the videos. I will, of course, take one down as soon as I'm aware it's outdated, but laws change all the time, and so I can't control if someone else has put one somewhere that I don't know about. I'm not that tech savvy. So please don't rely on the video or assume that it's up to date. And finally, it's place dependent. So despite my accent, I am a New Zealand-based lawyer, and the information I'm giving is about New Zealand law. So if you're from overseas, you're very welcome, but please remember that it probably doesn't apply to your country because inevitably there will be some differences in the laws. The other thing is the information in these workshops is useful to everyone, not just people from the disability community, but they do focus on the specific issues that people in the disability community have. But you're welcome to share them with anybody who you think may benefit from them. The last thing I wanted to say is that my colleague Jasmine, who's also begun doing the videos, her name is Jasmine Morrison, she and I are available to be your lawyers if you want us to. We are based in Hamilton and we work for a firm that's based in New Plymouth. The firm is called Quinn Law, Q-U-I-N-L-A-W. We have clients all over the country, so we have some clients that we've only met by video link, and we use technology, video, email, and phone to work with people. So if you were okay with that, then we're happy to help you, and if not, then you are more than welcome to use the information in the videos to help you figure out, first of all, what legal arrangements might I want to make, or what do I need more information on. It will help you figure out what information you need to get together before you talk to a lawyer. And the other thing it can help with is figuring out, is this the right lawyer for me? Because not all lawyers have the expertise in everything, and so you need to make sure that the lawyer you're using has the expertise that you need. Okay, so thanks for listening, and I will see you in the next video.